winter storm has paralyzed Poland. Cars stuck in ditches, traffic jams on the S7 highway. Heavy snowfall, which began on Tuesday, paralyzed Poland. Ostróda Town Hall stepped in to help stranded drivers. They provided hot drinks, cookies, and power banks to police. They also offered overnight accommodation in the Ostróda Town Hall building. Firefighters, police, road crews, energy workers, and water and heating workers were all busy. The S7 highway near Ostróda was blocked for hours due to snowfall. Many cars were trapped in roadside ditches. Winds from the north and northwest caused flooding.
S7, okolice Mławy, kierunek Warszawa. Stoimy już co najmniej godzinę i nie zapowiada się, żebyśmy mieli ruszyć w najbliższym czasie.
It was a difficult night for drivers on the S7 highway. Near Ostróda, the road was blocked by trucks struggling to navigate the slippery, snowy uphill road. The route was blocked in both directions, towards Gdańsk and towards Warsaw. Hundreds of cars were stuck in a massive traffic jam. By evening, the traffic jam from Gdańsk to Warsaw had reached approximately 7 kilometers, from the grab and rest area to Rechno. Conversely, from Warsaw to Gdańsk, the traffic jam stretched to almost 16 kilometers, from Olsztynek to Rechno. The situation worsened by the minute. The stranded people, sometimes families with children, had no food or water. They had no access to toilets, and some needed medication. The continuous snowfall worsened their situation by the minute. Attempts to create so-called emergency corridors proved futile. The snowdrifts on the roads prevented passenger cars from passing, and many of them ran out of fuel. Police attempted to clear the roads and remove the obstructing trucks, but it proved no easy task. Around 2:00 a.m., the road to Gdańsk reopened. Officials asked drivers stuck in the traffic jam heading to Warsaw to be patient, as work was still underway to clear the road in that direction. Minor traffic jams also occurred on this route near Warsaw, Młowa, Olsztynek, and Nidzica. Passengers on the Orlowicz IC train from Krakow to Olsztyn also experienced problems. The train stopped midway near Olsztynek. Passengers complained to the news website to.pol that no one informed them of the incident. The train crew reportedly told them they might have to spend the night in the carriages. The forced stop, which lasted about 2 hours, turned out to be caused by a malfunction in the train traffic control equipment. Finally, just after 11 p.m., the train departed and reached its destination. Earlier, as reported by Deputy Minister of the Interior and Administration Wisław Szczepański, a Masovian Railways train also experienced problems and became stuck at Młowa station. The train broke down and blocked the tracks. Airport problems, reversal flow in Frombork and Elblag. Modlin Airport and Okęcie Airport in Warsaw also experienced problems due to the snowfall. Several flights had to be diverted to other airports. Strong winds from the north and northwest caused waterlogging, which was dangerous in Frombork and Elblag. Fortunately, after 2 a.m., the winds subsided, and the water in the Elblag River began to recede. Firefighters were busy clearing trees that had fallen off roads due to the snow and strong winds. The snow also knocked down power lines, and the sudden drop in temperature caused numerous outages in the water and heating networks, including in Warsaw.